There is a twist to this puzzle and you have to discover it in order to solve it. So first you start by putting this piece inside of the frame like that. Then you grab this piece and drop it inside. Here is the next part. You have to put this piece inside, but it seems like totally impossible since you won't be able to rotate it like that. This is a Cubi 24 and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Frederick Boucher and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of the Cubi 24 is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal is to fit all the parts inside of the frame, including this small emoji. The box has a little bit of restriction entrance. As you can see, there is this part attached to the corner of the box, and then all the parts, they have a different shape and you have to figure out the way how to fit them all inside. If you like the Cubi 24 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. So first you start by putting this piece inside of the frame like that. Then you grab this piece and drop it inside. Here is the next part. You have to put this piece inside, but it seems like totally impossible since you won't be able to rotate it like that. But if you take a close look at the piece, you will notice that it is a little bit shorter than the rest of the parts. That means that you can just easily put it inside and drop it like that and it fits nicely. When you don't pay attention to the shape of the parts, it might be a big issue for you. So then you can drop this piece inside and then tilt the box. This piece will move to the left. Now we have only two parts left. What we can do here, we can drop this piece inside. Here you can lift this piece up, put this piece inside like that, and all the parts are in except the emoji face. But now if you flip the box and move like the top layers up, there is a tiny pocket here. You put the emoji face right inside, drop it down, and there is a pocket right in here. You can just tilt the emoji and all the parts are inside. Now you won't be able to remove anything from the frame. That was the solution of the Cubi 24 puzzle. If you like it and you want to try some other awesome puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.